Namaste. In this video we will learn how to create a table in SQL. Okay, so how to create a table. For creating table, create table name. Okay, we can give any name of our choice. emp underscore 1 2. Okay, and opening braces. After opening braces, give the name of columns. Okay, suppose I want to create column emp number. Okay, and type is char. Give the size 10, comma ename varchar 2 20, comma next column name salary. It should be of number. Size should be 7, 2. Okay, after decimal 2 digits. Then city, it should be varchar 2, size 20. Okay, comma dob type is date. Okay, finally closing braces and parenthesis. So we have created the table with emp underscore 1 2, and here we have created 1 2 3 4 5 columns. Okay, and these are name of column, these are type of column, and these are the size of columns. Opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, and at last we applied semicolon. After doing that, press enter button. Table has been created. To see the table, we can see here. Select star from tab. Tab is a system table. Here we can see already created by default system table. Here we can see our table name emp underscore 1 2. emp underscore 1 2 has been created. Okay, so to clear the screen, okay, to see the description of table, we can write desc or describe. I can write desc or describe. I can write describe also. Describe emp underscore 1 2 semicolon enter. Okay, so I can either write desc or describe. It's our choice. Okay, I can write desc also for describing the table. Sorry, desc for describing the table. Okay, so here we have created table. This is name of the table emp underscore 1 2. These are name of the columns. Okay, these are the type of columns, and these are size of columns. So in this way we have created the table. Insert the values in this table. We can use insert command. Insert into emp underscore 1 2. Okay, insert into emp underscore 1 2 values space values. Okay, here we have to give first emp number is character type. So here we can give character type in single quotation, okay, CS01, okay, and e name it should be of varchar type. It should also closed with single quotation. So e name Sandeep, salary 55,000, okay, city Mumbai, and date one two DEC 2000, okay, enter. One row created. So in this way we can insert the values, okay. So if I want to see the values, I can write select star from table name, select star from emp underscore 12, okay. So one row has been created, and this is the values of table emp underscore 12, okay. We can insert more values over here. So let's try to insert another value. Insert into emp12 values. Instead of Sandeep, right here Pradeep, okay. Salary should be 75,000 and CT should be Delhi, okay, 12 Jan 1999, okay. Press enter. Now another row has been created. To see the value, select star from emp underscore 12. Here we have inserted two values. Both emp number has been CS01 and CS02. Okay. Now here we have duplicate value. So if we don't want duplicate value, we have to apply primary key, okay. So while creating the table, we should give the type of column as primary key, okay. So how to create a table using the primary key, okay. Let's create another table because we cannot create the two tables with the same name. So create table emp underscore x1, okay. Suppose I have created table, create table emp underscore x1, okay. After that opening braces, okay. After that emp number of character 10. Here we can write primary key, okay. So in this way we can make emp number as unique and not null. Primary key is combination of unique key and not null. It means what? We cannot write two same values, okay. We cannot insert two same values, okay. So values, if we want this value should be unique and it should not be null, मतलब इसको हम blank नहीं छोड़ सकते, then we can write it as a primary key. So when we declared any column as primary key, it must be unique and not null, okay. We cannot write duplicate value and we cannot left it as a blank. Press enter. EMP number, ename, okay, EMP number, ename, ename, salary, okay, CT, DOB, date, okay, and finally closing parenthesis, okay. So we have created another table, EMP underscore so if we will try to create now here we can see if I already have created EMP underscore 1 2, and if I will try to create another table with the same name, it will give us an error. So here we can see this will give us an error because we cannot create two table with the same name. Here we can see this is giving an error, create table EMP underscore 1 2, name is already used by the existing object, so we cannot create two table with the same name. Clear the screen, okay. So now create table EMP underscore x12, okay, opening braces, EMP number primary key, okay, ename, salary, CT, DOB date, closing braces, okay. So this time we are creating table with different name. Instead of EMP underscore 1 2, we are creating table with EMP underscore x12, okay. So table has been created successfully. If we want to see the table, select star from EMP underscore x12, no rows selected, okay. So this table is created. If you want to see the table, see the name of table in system tab, okay, select star from tab. Here we can see EMP underscore x12 has been created, okay. Clear screen, okay. If you want to see the description of table, DESC EMP underscore x12, description of table, this is giving us description of table, okay. If you want to insert the values, so here insert into EMP x12 values, okay, x12 values, okay. One row has been created. If you want to insert some different value with the same EMP number, is it possible here or not? Let us see. 1986, instead of Delhi, right here Kanpur, instead of 75,000, right here 85,000. Okay, and let it be CS under CS01. So can we create in this way? Can we create the can we insert the values? Okay, can we insert the duplicate values in primary key column? So it is indicated that EMP number is not null and it is primary key. We have defined as a primary key. Press enter. Insert into EMP values error unique constraint. Okay, violated. So we cannot insert duplicate values in primary key column. Okay, so if you want to insert the value, we must have different values. So we cannot insert duplicate values in primary key column. One row has been created. If you want to see the value, select star from, we have to write select star from EMP underscore x12. Okay, now we have inserted two values CS01, CS02. Okay, and both have different EMP number. We cannot insert duplicate values in primary key column. Okay, so this is another way to insert. Okay, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you and keep watching.